we're here today to commemorate the opening of the refurbished Dimmitt Pier and the expanded parking lot and amenities for the community. It was damaged by Hurricane Harvey. The pier some of the components were still reusable, the pylons, and so we put a brand new surface and rails and lighting on the pier, but we made the park even better for the community, expanded the parking, put amenities like picnic tables and water fountains, both for humans and dogs, and put in security lighting. We secured or shored up the shoreline.
As I like to say, today is a new day in Corpus Christi, and not only in Corpus Christi, but Flour Bluff. This community is the strong community that comes together to reinvent, reimagine, rebuild whatever needs to be done out here, in Flour Bluff. And this serves the entire city of Corpus Christi.
This is a reconstruction. The community enjoyed this for almost 40 years. Hurricane Harvey took it out on there, so with this reconstruction, it's back serving the community. If you just want to come out here and wet a hook or enjoy a sunrise or see the sunset, it's a great spot.